Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Mac Notes app not showing notes. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. If your Mac Notes app isn't showing your notes, the most likely cause is an issue with your internet connection. So make sure that your internet connection is good and stable. And the second reason is the problem with your iCloud scanning. To fix this issue, click on Apple menu at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on System Settings in the drop-down menu. Then tap on your iCloud account in the sidebar menu. After that, click on iCloud. Here, click on Notes. Here, turn on the toggle Scan this Mac. If it is already turned on, then turn off the toggle. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Then tap on Done button and go back to your Notes app. Now check your problem is resolved or not. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.